Macaroon. Hello everyone! It's good to see you again. Are you ready to learn about food? This time we will learn about macaroons. In the picture, you can see macaroons. They have cream inside. Now let's begin the class. We will study some words first.
Bottom. Look at the arrow. It points to the bottom of the cup. The bottom is the lowest part of something. The opposite of bottom is top. Cream. This is cream. It is a thick white liquid taken from milk. We use it when cooking, and we put it on fruit or dessert. What food do you put cream on?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Cream. Bottom. It's time to read a story. After that, you will take a quiz. Do you know what a macaroon is? A macaroon looks like a small cake. It also looks like a cookie sandwich. Two cookies are on the top and bottom. The cookies taste sweet. We put cream between the cookies. The picture shows some macaroons. The pink macaroon has vanilla cream. The brown macaroon has chocolate cream. What macaroon would you eat first?
What does a macaroon have in the middle? Cake. Cream. What is true about a macaroon? It's sweet. It's a kind of sandwich.
Do you remember the picture of the macaroons? What color do you like the most? That's all for now. See you next class. Goodbye.